Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the fleet mode on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the star icon at the left side on the screen, and in the demo fleet section you can find the fleet mode option and just click to the white square icon. And new, the fleet mode is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.